The Olympia School Board unanimously agreed to place an Educational Programs and Operations Replacement Levy on the February 11th, 2020 special election ballot. The proposed levy is not a new tax. The 4-year levy would replace one approved by Olympia School District voters in 2016, which expires in 2020. This levy provides about 16% of the Olympia School District's $150 million budget. Levy funds provide classroom and district-wide support staff not funded through the state basic education, such as paraeducators, school nurses, social and mental health supports, and security. Local levy funds would also continue enhanced education to students with disabilities and support middle and high school athletic and extracurricular activities, transportation outside the basic school day, visual and performing arts programs, staff professional development, and maintenance and operations not funded through state basic education.
This renewal levy would continue the district's efforts to prepare students for success now and into the future. These ongoing efforts are captured in our board-approved student outcomes, created in partnership with our students, staff, and community as part of our strategic planning process. We want our students to have the skills and knowledge to be successful once they leave our system and move on to achieve their hopes and dreams, whether that be work, military, trade school, 2- or 4-year college, or other post-secondary plans.
The levy would raise an estimated $133.6 million over 4 years, or an average of $33.4 million per year. The proposed $2.50 maximum tax rate for the Educational Programs and Operations Replacement Levy in each of the upcoming 4 years is 1 cent more than in 2020. The estimated levy rate depends on the final dollar amount of assessed value of property within the school district. State law limits school districts to collect a maximum of $2.50 per $1,000 of assessed valuation for educational programs and operations levies. The replacement levy tax, combined with the Olympia School District voter-approved school construction bonds and the technology and safety levy, would keep overall district tax rates below 2020 levels. The total projected tax rate over the 4 years would be between $4.84 and $5.05 per $1,000 of assessed valuation, which is less than the $5.15 tax rate in 2020.
My name is Alexis Nevi, and I serve as one of the 2 student representatives on the Olympia School Board. For so many of my peers across our district, schools provide healthcare, emotional support, and links to the community for social support. This levy funds these basic staffing resources in the form of counselors, nurses, and social workers. Please remember that voting is a civic responsibility, and I encourage you to participate in this democratic process.
We encourage you to learn more about our school district's replacement levy proposal. Visit the Levy 2020 webpage on the school district website at osd.wednet.edu. If you have any questions, we welcome you to call or email us. Please remember to vote by February 11th, 2020.